The market is crashing really big right now. Most of the stocks are in red. Everybody is losing money or gaining money with this movement, and everything because today's news. Yes, guys, today's news with the unemployment report crashed the market again, just like it did it last month. Yes, a really awful situation because in my opinion, that's not big of a deal, and you're gonna see in this video why I don't think we should be on this red and what I think is gonna happen on the next few days after Monday, because this scenario already happened in the past and I think there is a lot of opportunity to actually make money from this. And hey, if you're new to my channel, my name is Omar. I like to talk about business, money, politics, everything that is happening around the world that can help me to make more money or to help you to get all the information you need to actually drive in this world. If you like this type of conversation, hey, this is your channel, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. With that said, let's start with this. Yes, guys, look at what happened with the stocks. By the time I take this picture today, look what happened with all the amazing and great stocks today. Look at this. Google down 3.5%. Amazon 325, Nvidia keep going down and down, losing more and more capital value today. Yes, it is 3.85 down. I'm surprised that Apple is only down 1%, which is crazy. And all of this just because the unemployment report didn't meet the expectation. Actually, it met the expectation in some points, but not in others. Yes, the unemployment report came up this morning saying that we have 142,000 new jobs, and that didn't meet the expectation. The expectation was that we have 161,000 jobs, and that didn't happen. But this is the takeaway. The unemployment rate actually went down to the expected value. Yes, the expectation was 4.2. And we came up with 4.2, which tell me this is better news than missing the 142 or 161,000 expected jobs. Why is that? Because the unemployment rate is telling us, hey, more people is working, we are better than previous month, and that's gonna avoid recession if that number keep going down and down. The last thing we want is a really big unemployment rate right now. Yes, I know we all want more jobs available for all of us, but if you see what happened, we almost doubled the number from July to August. On July report, we have 89,000 jobs. You can take a look here. 89,000 new jobs. And then from July all the way to August, we added 142,000 new jobs, and that's gonna crash the market. I mean, I don't think that is actually a really good argument to crash the market. I think just the market was looking for an excuse to sell off. And this is exactly what happened last month when the July report came up and that number was missing. The market crashed on Friday and then it crashed even worse on Monday. And I'm not saying that that's going to happen again, but it's possible that the next Monday we're going to have a really bad numbers and that the stock goes really deep. To then what? What happened last month was that when we hit on Monday, end of the market time, when we hit the bottom with all these big stocks going down, after that, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, the stock went so much up, they went crazy up in a ride that some of those stocks actually were above what they were the week before. So this might be a great opportunity for all of us to actually start buying more and more stocks. And let me tell you something, if you check the unemployment report, right, and if you check the average unemployment, you can see that we are way better than previous years. Right now we're sitting at 4.2, but in average we are in a 5.6 unemployment rate. So I believe this number is actually good. And we know that the Fed just says that they're going to start cutting rates. As soon as they start cutting rates, guys, what's going to happen is that the companies are going to start just flowing and growing more and more. And they're not going to be laying off as many people as they're doing right now. I'm pretty sure the Fed right now is calling the big techs, calling the big pharmaceutical, calling the big banks and telling, hey, I'm gonna about to start cutting rate. That's gonna help you with your business. Please keep your employees for now until you get again on the growth path. The last thing this country needs is to go in a recession when we have elections coming. So I don't see any recession coming in the future, and I see this as another overreaction of the market. Just like I said it on my previous videos, the market is overreacting to this report. We shouldn't go down this way just because we missed an unemployment, even though we almost double the amount of new jobs created in the US. And we beat, or actually meet, right? We meet the unemployment rate, which means less people are filing for unemployment. So, and what am I gonna do with this? Well, guys, I just bought Google again. Yes, if you've been watching my channel, I've been buying Google really heavy because I feel that the company is very cheap right now. It's super cheap, and I'm not gonna stop. And with this new opportunity, when the market tanks, and I got this cheap valuation right now, I'm not gonna miss that. I'm gonna keep buying stock. I'm gonna keep accumulating more business for me, and I'm just gonna wait to see what's happened next. What could happen on Monday is that the stock markets go even more and more in the red numbers, but I don't have any problems with that. What I need is this overreaction to pass and then start going up. And let me tell you, as soon as the Fed start cutting rate based on data, not talking here, just based on data, as soon as the Fed start cutting rate in previous years that you are not in a recession, which we are not right now, the stocks jump crazy. They take off every time in the past 20 years that the Fed has cut the rate. So I'm pretty sure, I feel confident that as soon as the Fed start cutting rate, what's going to happen, the stocks are going to start driving again, the business is going to start making a lot of money. We are in an election year, so believe me, they're not going to take the risk on taking or going to a recession, even though one of the banks just came up with a report saying that we have 35% probability of having a recession. But 35 is still lower than what it was previous months when we were on the 50 and the 45. So, hey, this is exactly what is happening. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you want to know everything happening around the world about news, business, and money, hey, this is your channel, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I see you guys on my next video. Thank you all.